Let's see. Are you ready?
The big reason why companies invest in good quality office spaces is to attract and retain the employee. So the hero of the story is the employee. So from the beginning, when we started, 3 things we looked at. One is a mental wellness, because which is very, very important in today's world. Second is a physical wellness part of it. And then obviously the productivity, that one should be able to contribute meaningfully, create the right impact. And at IndiQube, we typically focus on all the 3. We now have a 52-week engagement calendar for all our communes, and our client companies, their employees can participate. This includes wellness activities, healthcare, this includes a lot of recreational activities.
So everybody who is working in IndiQube, they become the members, right? So they can avail to all those events which is happening within the city, outside the city. So we have these intercity tournaments, intracity tournaments of badminton, soccer and all, And then we have prize distribution. So a lot of companies kind of participate. Yeah, so that kind of gives that community feeling.
And then the way they look at a lot of B2B and B2C services and benefits is different. Some company may be happy to provide their employees a freshly brewed coffee. Somebody wants that, okay, I'm okay with a tap chai, but give me a samosa. So one size doesn't fit all. Future of work from where we are today, I think is going to be a lot about flexibility. Because what is happening is the composition of the workforce is changing. The lot of Gen Z that is joining the workforce, the percentage of gig economy workers is increasing. And AI, of course, is playing its own role in disrupting this whole thing. And optimize on the workspaces. Today, if you look at, like, from the time when we started, almost 30 to 40% power savings we have been able to achieve. And more than 50% of water we have been able to conserve that was getting wasted either through low flow rate taps or putting up sewage treatment plants or conserving rainwater. And so the big focus is that how we can do more with less. One big thing that is exciting us is sustainability. And we see that there is a massive transition underway in India. And if you see, as a country, we have almost 1 billion square feet of real estate. 50% of this real estate is more than 10 years old. And 50% of these buildings are non-green buildings. And come 2030 or 35, I see majority of the buildings, they have to get renovated. So we see a massive opportunity, and and we are having a good playbook to play on that.